A routine car accident. Officers run the plates, and then everything stops. Because the man behind the wheel isn't a civilian, he's a cop. And what happens next? His colleagues had no choice but to do their jobs.
Okay, alright. Okay. How you doing? You guys okay? How you feeling?
I got adrenaline in it because I had to help her.
Okay. How are you feeling, miss? Okay, in your head? Where at?
My neck.
Your neck? Okay. Alright, yeah, we'll get that. County 1840, you got BLS en route, head pain? Yep. Thank you. You got your registration insurance card?
It's my son-in-law's.
Okay.
They hit this my car over here.
Okay, hang on a second. Just grab your license for...
I'm the owner.
Oh, you're the owner of this car? Okay. Alright. Yeah, we'll grab his info. Okay. So you got... Sir, you said you own... Yeah. You got both these cars, sir? Okay. Alright.
He's a witness because we were sitting facing the storefront.
Okay. Yeah, he was coming this way. Okay.
2 males with backpacks standing at the house when the caller came home. They left with face covering.
You okay?
Thank you, sir.
One black male wearing all black, white male.
What else do you want?
Just this right. This is the insurance. This card right here.
There you go.
Yep. Thank you very much. Yep. Yep. Well, we're gonna grab his info. I just want to make sure because they're injured, right?
You need to go to the restaurant.
We got the ambulance coming.
My solid witness.
That's fine.
That's fine.
You can now let me. Okay. All right.
I'm saying, my bike
We get it.
was
We
there.
get it. I understand. We can see
standing
what we can see what happened.
No, I'm not in the car.
Alright, just make sure.
My bike is right there. I'm standing there.
So we got an ambulance on the way for your wife. Okay. Do you want?
Boom, boom,
I don't want to bother right now. You have her ID on her? Does she have her ID?
All these cars.
Yeah.
Okay.
That black truck hit all these.
Okay. Sir, as a witness, do you have a license on you?
Nah, I don't.
Okay.
All I'm doing is, listen,
No problem.
I got it, babe. I got it. It's in my folder.
Was anybody else in any of these cars?
No, nobody else was in the car, but the gentleman that owns this car also owns that car.
He got hit
Wait,
too?
this
Yeah, I think
gentleman
so.
owns that one there?
No, the other gentleman that's in that car owns this vehicle as well.
That's my son-in-law.
Your son-in-law, and he owns this car and that car.
Yes.
Okay.
We're just visiting here.
Okay.
What, babe? No, I have your passport, baby. Let me look somewhere else.
I didn't bring my purse.
I know. We're getting ready for a baby shower. Shit. We'll get.
No, I'm gonna run the plate in a second. That's okay. Okay. Hang on a second, all right? I got the wife's DL, but I'm gonna have to print it. Let me just see who this is. Hello, I'm sorry to bother you. This is Officer Alvarez, Somerville Police Department. Am I speaking with Isabel Dancy? All right. So are you in the area, East Main Street? Your vehicle was involved in a motor vehicle accident. Somebody had struck your vehicle, your Jeep that's parked here on East Main. I don't know if you're available. I need you to come and provide us a copy of your registration and insurance. Nobody's in the car now. Yeah, the car is parked. I don't know if a family member is driving it, but the car was parked here on East Main Street, right in front of like Verve or the Bliss Coffee Lounge, and it was parked. It was struck, but we need your copy of your insurance. Somerville Police Department, Officer Alvarez. Yeah, I understand, but if you came here, you would see 5 police cars here. I'm not asking for your information over the phone. I just need whoever was driving the vehicle to come, because the insurance is probably in the vehicle, and provide it to us. All right? Okay? All right. Oh, no, your daughter's not involved. Nobody was in the car. We're just trying to locate whoever was driving the car who could provide us information for the vehicle. That's all. All right. If you want to come over, you want to call your daughter to come out. She's coming out right now. All right. Miss. Is your mom Isabel? All right, I'm speaking to your mom. Just do me a favor, and that's fine. If you could just grab the insurance out of your vehicle, okay? Your daughter's here. Thank you very much. All right. Bye. What's going on?
White Lexus, I think I got hit.
Okay. All right. Do you have? Can you just do me a favor and grab your insurance and registration for me? I have no idea. I wanted to make sure she was okay. I know she's being taken right now.
So what happened exactly? I just came outside.
Vehicle. I guess this vehicle came this way and just struck a couple parked vehicles. That's all. All right. Let me just see. Give me 1 minute. I'm going to copy down this information. We just need the insurance because your vehicle was involved in an accident.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. So just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Hi there. Sorry.
Hi. Wait, sir, what do you
Yep.
need? Sorry.
Yep.
This is her
Oh,
car.
just your insurance card.
I mean, I just don't. It's my mom's car.
Okay.
So I can. Oh, is this
That's
it?
the registration. Maybe this right here.
I'll let you can go through it.
No. It's okay.
Oh my lord. Nope.
I'm going to just take a look at this right here.
Sorry. Oh,
Oh,
I'll
that's
see.
Mr. Okay, perfect.
Right?
Yep.
Would
That.
this be it?
Can I just see?
Yeah, you can take whatever. Wait.
It's okay. No, you're all right.
Here, I have a flash.
All right, so this is expired, but I'm sure it's the same policy. It's a small. It kind of. I mean, it kind of looks
sorry,
like
I
this.
just
This is
really-
somebody else's,
okay.
but all right. That's the
Sorry,
registration.
I'm
I'll hold on to
sorry.
the. I'll
I
hold
don't
on this.
even live
It's
in
okay.
this
It's all right.
state.
It's okay.
Wait, do we have like virtual cards?
Yeah, I mean that could be a thing too. Yeah.
Sorry, let me call
That's okay. That's all right.
This wasn't how you were parked, Sophie, right?
Yeah, I think
I was parked
she got put. Yeah, she got
exactly.
pushed.
I was parked exactly.
Give me 1 second, okay? Can we go somewhere so I can write it down? If you want to come stand right under here.
On est devant Verve, littéralement devant Verve.
It's on Main Street.
Main Street, like by, what is this?
Bridge
like
Street
the
and Main Street.
Bridge
so
and
14 East Main.
Bridge and Main.
She'll see it.
You can't. Yeah.
You'll see where there's the police cars. Okay, à bientôt.
Et donc lui, il pense qu'on peut pas conduire la voiture.
Ben, personne n'a rien dit. Ok, sorry. Je montre la carte d'assurance d'abord. Here you are. Putain, pas de chance.
Wife's deal.
No, well, I need that.
I have that.
VIN off of the SUV because it's not going to come from the agency.
Oh, okay.
And he doesn't have a reg.
Yeah, this is for one car. Jesus. So this car right here, on the right, the one on the left is the white car. The one on the right is this black Jeep. This is the Allstate plan for it. This is the Allstate. This is the woman that got injured. Her DL, her California DL. You need the VIN. The car, yeah. This car is owned by the son-in-law of the people that were in this car. And we have, yeah. It's this gentleman here owns the car on the other side of this white car and this Mercedes. He's the owner. We're gonna go. I told him we have his ID, the husband's ID. I told him we'll bring it to the hospital.
How many patients are there?
Two, the husband and the wife.
They went in the same rig?
Yeah.
Complaining of minor pain?
Yeah, just minor head pain. Husband said he has adrenaline, so nothing's affecting him. But I guess his blood pressure.
Where was he?
They were in the car. Yeah, when it happened. From my understanding, because when I came out, wife was still in the car.
Okay.
Husband was still in the car, but doors were open. Other people were around here.
Shower tomorrow?
Yeah.
Don't let it ruin it. Enjoy yourself.
Well, I was
all right?
happy my pregnant wife wasn't in that car. That's all I'm at.
This is your dad's.
I'm gonna give it to.
I'll give it this.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll give
Yeah.
this to you.
Okay.
If I need him, I'll call you. And
Okay.
we'll go from there. But as long as I got all the paperwork, I know your mom didn't have her license and whatnot. So as long as I have everything I need, you won't hear from me. But
Okay.
If I call you,
Yeah.
just be gathered sometimes, all right?
Very good.
Is there anything, hey Frank, is there anything sensitive in here that needs to come out?
My weapons.
Okay.
But he's going to put them in the car, and then I'll take them out of there.
Well, you'll do it before it goes on the tow truck though, right?
No, he's going to put it on a tow truck, and I told him I'll take it out before that.
You're going to jump up the tow truck for it?
No, he'll get it for me.
All right. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to go through all the steps.
Yeah,
all right?
I know, I get
so
it.
Why don't we come up off the road
Yeah,
and we'll
of
just.
Of course.
So I'll start off.
Yep.
Do you have any medical issues?
No.
Anything you need to go to the hospital for? Diabetes,
I do
low
not.
blood sugar,
No.
nothing like that?
No, I just have a ankle injury.
Okay.
So I'm good.
All right. How much we have?
No, I do not.
Nothing at all?
I had one earlier. I'm good. I was
Okay.
in the office earlier.
Okay.
Yep.
Are you all right going through some tests?
I am good.
All right, perfect. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm sure you know these tests, just let me go
Yes.
through it. So, when I get in the situation with some cops, they like to
I get it.
instruct it. Just let me go through the spiel and we'll get done, all right?
Yeah.
So you can see me, right?
Yes.
You can see my finger?
Yes, I
Do you wear
can.
contacts?
No, I do not.
Everything good? No vision
Yes.
problems. All right. So what I'm going to do, we're going to keep our noses locked, and I'm going to
Yep.
move my finger in front of your face.
Yes.
All I want you to do is follow it with your eyes. So if I
Yes.
bring it over here, don't turn your head, just look out of the corner
Yes.
of your eye. Any questions for me?
No, I do not.
All right, follow my finger with your eyes only.
Yes.
Nope.
No, I'm
We're
sorry.
going to keep our noses locked.
Yes,
so
yes.
just imagine that your head's stuck, right?
Yes.
Just don't look to the side with it, all right? Follow my finger with your eyes only. All right, you have a car coming up behind you. I don't want it to hit you. All right, so the next thing we're going to do, let's back up just a little bit to give you enough space, kind of right there. I want you to put your left foot down on the line, put your right foot directly in front of
Why
it.
don't we move up to a flat, because this is kind of on an angle. Why don't we just move up onto the
Sure.
like flat?
You want to come up here? All right, we'll use these bricks so you have a straight line, all right?
Thank you.
If you don't, put your left foot down, put your right foot directly in front of it, hands at your side. Yep, so we're going to keep our left foot down on the ground, put your right foot directly in front of it, hands at your side.
Okay.
You can do that now. Don't move, okay? When I tell you to do so, you can look at me right now though. When I tell you to do so, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward. Look down.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I have.
I know you do.
My ears.
You're good. We're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward, looking down at your toe and counting out loud.
Shoes
Here,
are like fucked
just
up.
stand normal then right now. No, stand normal. Stand like, just stand regular so you can get the instructions, all right? It's 9 heel-to-toe steps forward. You're going to look down at your toe and count out loud. I'm going to demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, and so forth. When you get to your 9th step, whatever foot's in front, I want you to leave on the ground, take short steps to turn yourself back around, take 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
9
Do you have-
forward and 9 back.
Look down at your toe, count out loud, hands at your side.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? So before you start, let's get you back in that starting position. Left foot down, right foot directly in front.
All these people on the side.
I'll move. Hey folks, if you don't mind, can you just go down to the next awning for me? You just wait till they go. Thank you. Yep. All right, so leave your left foot where it is, right foot directly in front, heel to toe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can do that now.
Okay.
And whenever you're ready, you can begin. 9 heel to toe steps. Look
1,
down and count out loud.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They knew him, called him Frank, said they'd known him for years. Didn't matter. He failed the field sobriety test and they had to put the cuffs on. Right there in the street, in front of everybody.
7, 8, 9.
All right, face me.
Yes, sir.
Mo, do you have your watch on you? Yep. Can you time 30 seconds for me when I ask you? All right, next thing, just feet together, hands at your side. When I tell you to do so, whatever foot you feel more comfortable with, if your one leg's bad, lift that one up so you can balance on the other. You're going to lift it 6 inches off the ground, you're going to point your toe out. You're going to count out loud, 1001, 1002. Keep going until I tell you to stop. If at any point it comes down, pick it back up and continue where you left off. So if you drop it at number 2, start at number 3, okay? But the important things of this, keep your hands at your side, look down at your toe, try not to wobble or hop, do your best to kind of stay still, all right? Any questions?
No, sir.
All right.
How many seconds?
You're going to just keep counting 1001, 1002, and then I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, the pedestrian there almost got hit. Are you ready, Mo? You can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003. I'm sorry.
It's all right.
I'm sorry. 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1000. I'm sorry.
All right.
My foot.
You stop, Frank.
17.
You stop.
2018.
You stop.
2019.
Hate to have to do this to you.
Yeah,
We're gonna place you under arrest.
I know.
Okay?
I get it.
We'll get you through this. It's not the end of the world, not the biggest deal. I apologize. Frank, I've known you for years. It is what it is.
You're doing your job.
So, I'll handcuff you in front.
Yeah.
You have your gun on you?
No, I do not.
Okay.
It's in the car.
Let's keep you some privacy. Let's walk over to the car so
thank
you're not
you.
in front of everybody. Who's here to get your stuff? Who's here to get your stuff? Which one of your buddies is here to get the guns?
Nobody's here.
Nobody? All right. Can we take them for you?
Yeah.
All right. Let's just walk over. We'll go over to my car. Actually, can I put him in your car so he's not in the intersection? Can I put him in your car so he's not in the intersection? Because we have to unload all of his weapons. All right. Come on over here, Frank.
Sorry. How are you doing your job?
I know, fine. I'm only gonna not that I don't trust you.
I know.
I had a cop under arrest once before, and he didn't tell me he had his gun on him, and he did by mistake. I trust you. I'm just gonna check real quick.
No contact.
You have your phone on you or anything?
I do.
Okay, no, keep it. I'm fine with that. I just want to make sure you have your stuff.
I do.
Is there anything besides the weapons in there that you need out of
During
the
the
car?
vault.
But is there a key that we're going to have to use to get in there, or is it in the
vault?
ignition? Yeah. Do you have like a pull-out drawer that?
I have a pull-out drawer.
Okay. Is it locked?
Yeah.
Okay. How do we get in that?
My code.
What's that?
My code.
Your coat?
Yeah.
In the.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any personal belongings in there you want me to grab for you? Wallet, anything like
bag.
that? Your bag? Okay. We'll get whatever we can for you.
It's in
Okay.
the bag. It's in the bag. Everything else.
Do you want us to hold this in secured storage, or do you want us to call someone to come get it
No,
for you?
secure storage.
You got it.
Then came the weapon, his badge, his plate carrier, rifles in the trunk. Everything had to be secured before anyone could move. His son was called to come pick it all up. Nobody said much. Nobody had to.
I think I have all the information. I took pictures of it. I documented it the best I could. He needs his bag out of the front, all the weapons. He gave me the code, but I don't remember. We'll have to get it again when it comes down. He said the vault's loaded with stuff. He does not want us calling anybody to get it. He'd like us to store it in secured storage. If you're okay with that, or if whoever is. Okay.
How many are in there?
I didn't ask him, but he said it's loaded. You have a right to speak with a lawyer at any time and to have him or her with you before or during questioning. Do you understand this right?
Yes.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer but want one, a lawyer will be provided at no cost prior to any questioning. Do you understand this right?
Yes.
A decision to waive these rights and to answer questions is not final. You have the right to stop answering questions or speak with a lawyer at any time during questioning. Do you understand this right?
Yes.
Are you okay with speaking with me?
No. I requested that.
Awesome. Are you okay with just signing off that you read your rights?
Yes.
Okay. So here's. All right, I have to check your mouth. You have nothing in it? No candy or gum to lift your tongue?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, we're going to wait 20 minutes to allow the alcohol to evaporate on your breath. Then we'll do the test. In the meantime, how can we get you home? Your son? Okay. Do you know his number off the top of your head, or do you need to get... If not, when one of the guys come back, we'll grab a...
It's in my phone.
Okay, we'll get it as soon as somebody comes back, and then we'll call him to come get you, all right? Yep. Do you live at home with you, or is he somewhere else? How far is the drive?
21 miles.
At least company car helps, I guess, a little bit with gas, right?
He blew on the breathalyzer, got his DUI ticket. His son came to get him. The officer who arrested him said, "You're not going to be the first and you're not going to be the last. We're human. We make mistakes." Drop a comment. Should cops be held to a higher standard or treated exactly the same as everyone else?